What is going on, guys? How have you been? It's been a couple weeks since I put a video up, and that's kind of what we're going to be talking about, because I know I told you all, don't worry about it. I got a lot of videos coming, but a lot of things have gone on in the past 2 weeks that have kind of limited my ability to put up videos, because I've been focusing attention elsewhere, but I'm able to now get back into doing the videos again, and I kind of want to tell you about them on this rainy day. It's starting to rain again, but we're going to talk about what I've kind of been up to, some really cool things coming to the channel, and some other really cool barbecue things that has been going on. Kind of out here right now cleaning coolers, and it's starting to rain, but that's okay. We're gonna let these things sit here and dry, and we'll obviously get wet again. And I'm gonna talk to you about the first thing that I've been working on that I'm really excited for and can't wait to show you guys. So the first thing I've been working on that's been a lot of fun is called QChat. And this is what I want to tell you guys first about before you log off and quit watching. But I know you all don't. You all like and subscribe. But QChat. Started it with my good buddy Dave Travis from Shazama Q Barbecue. We need to change this. We started doing it on Instagram Live, and he and I would just get on and we'd talk about what we got going on, talk about what's going on with competitions and all. And then we decided to go to Facebook Live and have guests. So here we have the Cookout Coach. We do giveaways right now. We're doing a giveaway with our guest who's going to be on this Tuesday, Howard Poole from Plum Crazy Barbecue. He's sponsored by How to Barbecue Right, and they're doing this gift basket. So we have all kinds of people on. Holy Smokes Q. We had, who else do we have? Travis Murphy from Golden Blue Barbecue. We had started off with Tyler Bloom. You all definitely know who he is. But it's been a lot of fun. I really, would appreciate if you guys came on, jumped on, liked it. We're hoping to get a YouTube channel set up here soon and also get it downloaded onto iTunes. But it's really been a lot of fun. Really kind of opened up a lot of doors for us. We got a whole big lineup coming that is going to be a lot of fun in the coming weeks. So Tuesday nights, 7 p.m. Go to Facebook. I'll leave a link in the description. But QChat has been a lot of fun that I've been working on. So the next thing that I've really been working on, and I'm really excited about, and I don't really have many words to say about this because it kind of is leaving me speechless, is this. Can't do this with one hand. Take a look at that. That's happening. That's gonna happen in literally 28 hours. So I think that's gonna be a pretty big surprise. So rain's finally stopped. Let's spray this Cambro out here. I've been bleaching the coolers and scrubbing them like I said. So just like a lot of you, for me 2020 has not really been what I initially expected. Everyone had these 2020 view ideas of success and doing a lot of different things, and that's kind of what mine was too. But I guess really what we all needed was to slow down a little bit. I had a bunch of different competitions planned to do, including one in South Carolina that was supposed to be a little less than a month ago at the end of April, and was really hoping to do all that kind of stuff, shoot stuff for YouTube, but you know, things kind of change. Good news is though, we got a lot planned for the rest of the year. Restrictions are lightening up. Places are opening. Events are starting to happen. And fingers crossed, but I now have 4 competitions, KCBS, that should be happening starting in July, into July. So, good news. They haven't canceled it yet, so we'll see. Hopefully, we can kick off the rest of this year the way we had all initially hoped. Actually, finish this year the way we all had initially hoped. But yeah, it's kind of just been chilling, doing a little cooking here and there, doing the National Barbecue League virtual competitions, which I kind of know better now to not do because I don't do well in them and it gets in my head, even though I have great cooks. But that's for another rant. I think it's awesome that they're doing them though, and it's great practice. No. So one of the things Jenna and I did here since I've been past 2 weeks, we went to Walmart, got a bunch of these tubs, and we labeled and organized everything in the barbecue trailer. I mean, we got spaces for tongs, koozies, hot pads, injectors, brushes, measuring cups, gloves, cutlery. We got the spritzer, we got a hand washing water jug back there, we got all my secret notebooks that I shouldn't show you where they were. Thermometers. Granted, there's only a timer in there. That's because I quit grabbing my thermometers all the time, so I leave them out. Washing dishes. Wow. Dishwashing stuff. We got a spot back there for seasonings and rubs, which I know I shouldn't keep in here. All that's back there, I think, is some Killer Hogs AP, and I think that might be Cosmos Q, something. I think they're just empty bottles. One for knives, but I also keep my Gunther Wilhelms up there because I also quick grab them. Spot down here for the coffee maker. Collapsible trash can. I think back there's also a little heater that Tyler bought. Empty jug or empty container that we don't need anything from. We're gonna figure out what to put in there. Some styrofoam boxes for people to take samples. Paper towels. And there's Jenna now. Another thing we did, I got these bins. I stole this idea from Historic Barbecue's old trailer, but I got these black bins, and I got bins for my wood. So hickory, that one will be apple, that one will be cherry. I need to place an order to get those picked up. Eventually hickory will be on top, but since it's heavy, when we want it on the bottom, because hickory and cherry are the ones I use most. Then we got another one over here for zip ties. Zip ties, PVC pipes for the banner, or for lifting up the tables, I mean. Bungee cords, one for miscellaneous stuff. I don't know what all really is in there. And then I got one at the bottom. It's not labeled. We didn't know what to do with it, but I ended up putting my tie straps in there, my ratchet straps. Then we got the SCA box, which I got a lot more stickers for that I need to put on there. And that's got tarps. We got the PK. We got a Clay Hill charcoal stash, table, all that kind of good stuff. So this is another thing that we've been working on since I took a little bit of a break, just to really try to keep busy with things, keep motivated. So I forget the reason why. The reason why I didn't really record doing this is because it was just something fun that Jenna and I did together. You know, we weren't really expecting to do it. She's just like, let's go out and get some organization stuff for the trailer. So, didn't really feel like popping a camera on her face or doing anything. It was kind of just her and I spending time together and doing this, which is really cool. Because if you watched the channel before, she'd never been exposed to barbecue life or anything like that. Her first competition that she'd ever been to was an SCA that we did, where was it? In Lancaster. And so it's really cool that she's really seen my passion and seen the life and joy that it brings me. So hopefully we can get her to a KCBS competition. But it was really cool that she wanted to do all this with me. So, you know, I wasn't going to bust the camera out and, you know, not ruin that moment, but, you know, just make that moment about YouTube instead of her and I spending time together. So, yeah, been doing quite a bit. Alright guys, we're going to wrap up the video here, putting some stickers on my SCA box. Some people sent me their team stickers, and I've sent some of mine. So if you want a sticker, a Harshman Barbecue sticker, at Harshman Barbecue, let me know in the comments, and we'll do a sticker trade. Because I, like every other barbecue guy, have a really strange obsession with stickers. So let's get these put on here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. One I haven't really wanted to put out for a while, just because it's not, you know, anything exciting and it's not cooking anything, but it does kind of let everyone know what's been going on and where we're at with things so far in the season. It's kind of a downer because everyone, like I said, had huge goals for 2020, excluding me. But at the same time, you know, we were also all able to kind of relax, kick it with the families, you know, not be away every weekend, or in my case, once a weekend a month, or doing SCA comps. So it's really kind of been nice, but at the same time, I think everyone's ready to get back to doing their competitions, and hopefully, like I said, we got 4 that we're planning on right now, starting in July. So hopefully we can get those in. Alright, so we got a couple more stickers on there. We got Black Rifle Coffee, my older brother's Sawmill, Brother Uncle. We got Coming in Hot, Golden Blue, Clear Spring Blazers, where I went to high school. My older brother's Sawmill again. This is the sticker, you guys. If you want to do a sticker trade, let me know. I'll hook you guys up with these. Maryland Crab, another Black Rifle Coffee, another Black Rifle Coffee. As you can tell, it's my favorite coffee in the world. Mammy Barbecue, Behind the Smoke. You got a Ham Squad sticker, another Brother Uncle, another Harshman Hardwood, and we got a Limbs Meat Varnish over here. Got some places where we can put more. So if you guys have a sticker for your team and you want to send me one, DM me, comment, or hit me up on Instagram, literally at Harshman BBQ, and we will get you guys sent over to one. Don't really know how to wrap up this video, kind of rambling. I'm not going to like editing this. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe. We're going to hit you back with more content in the coming weeks because we do have competitions down the line we got to practice for. So with that being said, bye! Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next one.